Kick off April with another fantastic addition to Smart Learning Suite Online. We're so excited to welcome the newest member of the Smart Game-Based Activities family, Word Search. Word Search is a great way to ignite student engagement when learning a new topic or vocabulary. Help your students develop key reading skills such as scanning, decoding, and fluency for recognizing and spelling new words. We've kept the same familiar activity creation dashboard as some of your favorite game-based activities, which means Word Search, like all other smart activities, can be created in as little as 5 minutes. Simply enter your desired text, choose the size of your search grid, the difficulty level, and how you'd like your students to view the word bank. Smart Learning Suite Online takes care of the rest. I love that Word Search is a winner for both introducing and reviewing vocabulary. That's not all that Smart is releasing this April. You shared your feedback and we heard you. Smart activities can now be muted with a click of a button in teacher presentation mode. Activity audio can be muted to deliver instructions to your students during your lesson. Students can also communicate and contribute to the lesson without having to talk over the activity's music. Give it a try and be sure to spread the news that your calls have not gone unheard. Show us those word searches. Using the hashtag #WeAreSmart, let us know your thoughts on social media, especially the amazing ways you're using these brand new features in your classroom. We love hearing back from our passionate educators. If you're excited to use Smart Learning Suite Online in your classroom, why not become a Smart Ambassador and gain access to a global community of inspiring educators? Join us today.